Do you want to pass your Network Plus exam on the first attempt? If so, this course is for you. How can I make that claim? Well, my name is Jason Dion, and I've helped over 60,000 students just like you pass their certification exams on their first attempt. Are you looking to make a career change into the world of information technology and network administration? Have you always wanted to learn about computer networks, but you just don't know where to start? Well, if so, this is your course. We're going to teach you everything you need to know in order to take and pass the CompTIA Network Plus certification exam on your first attempt. Now, the CompTIA Network Plus exam is a great place to start if you want a career in network administration, information technology operations, or you plan to enter the cybersecurity field, because networks make up the foundation of every other certification along your career as you go forward. In this course, you're going to learn all of the fundamentals of computer networks, including network architecture, network operations, network security, network theory, and how to troubleshoot networks, and all of this for less than what you'd normally spend on lunch. This course begins with the basics, and I'm going to take you through everything you need to know to start understanding how computer networks are designed, operated, and maintained. Then, we're going to cover the threats to your networks and what you can do to help secure against them. By the end of this course, you're going to be confident in your ability to explain all of these concepts and be able to apply these concepts in your new career as a network technician, network administrator, or network analyst. This course is your total and complete study solution. I'm going to give you over 100 video lessons combining both the theory and concepts with hands-on demonstrations. I'm also going to give you a complete downloadable study guide with a copy of all of the notes for the entire course. As you're going through the course, I'm also going to stop and check your knowledge along the way using quizzes. This will make sure that you're understanding what's being taught as we go along. Now, at the end of the course, I've even included a full-length practice certification exam, so you're going to know whether or not you're ready to take the real Network Plus. This is going to save you from wasting your time and money by avoiding costly retakes. Plus, we offer a 30-day, 100% no questions asked money-back guarantee, so you literally have nothing to lose. If you want to earn your Network Plus certification, you can trust me to help you learn everything that you need to know. So, what are you waiting for? Jump into the course today and let's get you certified.